The nuts on tour, rolling in the motorhome, moving town to town, never feel alone.
Hi, I'm Sue.
Hi, I'm Mark, and the dozy one, the sleepy one in the corner.
Yeah, I think you maybe just about see her merging with her covers.
Is Hiccup. So welcome to this edition of Nuts on Tour, and we are at
Skegness Fields.
the Fields group. They have several of them.
Yeah, it's is it Castle Fields or something?
Coastal.
Coast
Fields.
Fields is the group
Coast
name.
Fields is the group name, but there are several dotted around.
All around Skeggy.
And I don't know if they have them elsewhere.
It's
I don't know.
just up
I
the
think
coast.
it's just Skegness.
Skegness and up the coast a bit.
But here we are at glorious Skeg Vegas. We're here with friends. This is a holiday, so we haven't done a lot of filming. But Sue's gone round today and done a little bit of what is here. There are caravans for hire. There are
Statics you can purchase.
statics to purchase. There are
Lodges.
pardon?
Lodges.
Yeah. Some of the caravans to hire have hot tubs. Some of the lodges to hire have hot tubs. All sorts.
And some are dog friendly as well.
Yes. And some are wheelchair friendly.
Yes.
There's a couple with ramps. So yeah. A couple are wheelchair friendly.
The bit we're currently parked on, there are seasonals, so they do those as well. Seasonal tourers here.
But Sue will show you all this on her way round.
Mm-hmm.
So, on with the vid.
Well, right, I'm now off on a site review of Skegness Fields and all its delights. Right, here we are. This is the entrance to Skegness Fields. That's the out onto the road. Some caravans that you can purchase and a list of caravans in there that you can also purchase. This is reception with a toilet block behind. We have private statics and lodges over there. There is a kiddies play area where there's a few things for kiddies to do. We have seen a few children on site, but I would say it's probably more adult only in a lot of ways. There is a little shop actually in reception. As you come down here, this is your toilet block. Disabled toilet and shower. You need a key card to get in it. I'm not going in there because there are people in there. As there is cars parked here. So you've got ladies, gents, toilets and showers. If you are on the camping field, you can drive down here and use these. There are 2 toilet blocks on site. I will see if I can show you the other one. There might not be anybody in it. You come down here. On my left, as we're walking, is a I think it's well, there are hard standings, and I think it's fully serviced, as the same as on the right. If you have got a 9-metre motorhome, you would probably struggle to get yourself onto the pitch fully. They are not that big. That's one of the hard standings, fully serviced. That's the other side, which we're on. We're in this corner. I'll show you what I mean when I come back as to what is a cosy fit. It's quite quiet at night. They do not have entertainment on site. They do have Wi-Fi. We're there, as you can see, little one doing her thing. There is lots of waste bins around. They are dotted about. This bit is, again, there is caravan hard standing on my left here. This is not fully serviced as far as I can gather. Well, some of it must be looking at it. So I notice there's a tap and drainage, but I don't know if it all is. We walk along here, you're going into the statics. These are new lodges on my right hand side. Some have hot tubs, some don't. But yes, you've got your lodges over here. Lodges are bigger than the statics. Over this side again, lots of hard standing. There is. Come down here, carry on walking, you then come into what they call some of the platinum. There's gold and platinum, I know that, caravans down here. There is with hot tubs. And then we have more waste collection. And then another toilet block. Like I say, I'm not sure I can show you that at the minute because it looks like there's lots of bikes about and rubbish. Let me just wander over here and have a quick look. Have a walk round. That's the staff bit where they keep all the clean stuff for the statics. We have a washing up area because there is camping at this end. So that's for wastewater and your Elson point. And here, at the back of it, we have more hard standings on this site. And it looks like it's the gents and the ladies. But yeah, washing machines and towel dryers. I'm not sure if I can get into the showers. Have another look. Don't seem to want to open, but I don't see. I'm sure the lady at reception told me how to use the card, but I couldn't see where to waft it. There is CCTV, keeping an eye on things. That's the A158 out there, Skegness to Lincoln. Down this side. Oh, hang on, found it. Just got to use your nails. Right. Baby changing area, toilets, and showers. Look like push button jobbies. In there's somewhere to leave your stuff, hang it up, and the showers, and the toilets. It all looks fairly clean and tidy. Basins, hair dryers. So yeah, like I say, it all looks fairly clean and tidy. Going back onto where the hard standings are for tourers, etc. The far fields over there are for tents. There are looking at this, there's at least 100 pictures. We're on 45, so this goes up to 100 in here. Again, it looks like they're fully serviced. But this bit behind where you can see the power supplies is tenting out there. That's why you've got the toilet blocks, so they can get somewhere to go. But those mown areas are tents. Again, you've got waste here. Then you come round to more of the platinum statics. And our friends are stopping in one round here. These do, not all of them, but some of them have actual hot tubs. And you wander around here. We'll see if they're in the hot tub. Morning. So this is one of the statics that my friends are in. You get easy chairs, a little bit of an area out the front, slidey doors so you can walk straight out onto your veranda. Down the side here, which is in the sun probably the majority of the day, you have the hot tub. Not the easiest to get in and out of because it's sunk into the floor, but there it is. So, if you want to come here on your holidays and have a hot tub, there's no swimming pool, but there are hot tubs with some vans. Parking for 2 cars. So yeah, it's pleasant enough. It is. And like I say, they're dotted about around. That's the front of the static. An area out the back to walk your dog. Yeah, not bad. There are disabled ones which have ramps. They have the ramp up there. These don't have hot tubs, they're just ramps to get in and out. I should imagine they're a little bit wider inside as well. And then you come back down here towards the toilet block. Yeah, not too bad a sight. There is no entertainment on site, there is no swimming pool. It is purely rest and relaxation. And that way out is back to reception and the exit. We're just round the corner here. There's some of the new lodges that are on site. Nice big open space if you want children to play. Usual rules: keep dogs on leads at all time. Please clean up after your dog. No e-scooters, no ball games in these areas. So, usual rules apply that you get on most campsites. They have got a 10-mile-an-hour speed limit, which I have noticed when we first arrived, 1 or 2 did not adhere to. You know, I think they thought it was a section of Brands Hatch. But yeah, so we're just around the corner here. Our friends, like I say, are down there. Last row before you hit the camping, and we're here on this corner. We are. So, there you are. A little bit of a run round for the site, Skegness Fields.
Well, hope you enjoyed that.
Yes.
A little tour around. While we've been here, we've done the usual touristy bit and gone to Skegness and had a look round the market and up to Ingle Mills.
Went Fantasy Island.
Yeah.
Not very fantasy at all, but hey ho.
Well,
it
is for youngsters and children and winks and all that sort of thing.
Yeah.
But no, not really our thing. Not really our thing.
No,
that.
but hey ho.
But it was, it's been nice. We had a couple of decent days out. We went to the Aviation Heritage Museum. There will be a video coming up on that. So a few of the planes there, but saw a Mosquito running. Actually, the Mosquito, they got the engines going and everything and running up and down the room. Very good.
Yeah.
Enjoyed that a lot.
The last time we did visit that was
It was in
2018.
bits.
And the Mosquito, I think, had just arrived as kit form.
Yes. Big Meccano for grown-ups.
Yeah.
But yes, so that will be in a future vid. You have to stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button.
And welcome all new subscribers.
Hit the notification button and you will be notified when we release new ones, so you'll be able to see that one. Mm-hmm. But till then, take care, have fun, enjoy yourselves. Bye.
Bye for now.
Meeting friends, old and new. Ooh, sharing stories, it's what we do. Laughter filling the air, true. With the open sky so blue.